Good day guys and welcome to this video. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to use WhatsApp on two different phones without WhatsApp web. Okay, so guys, before I proceed, I'll appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment to the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations via the description of this video. Okay, so guys, let's proceed. So now, first and foremost, now you need to have two different phones. Okay, but for the sake of this today, I'll be using just one phone to guide you on how to do this. Okay, so I'll be cloning, yes, my main WhatsApp. I'll be cloning WhatsApp again. I'll be showing you how to use the same number on two WhatsApp phones without logging out from anyone. Okay, so once you have, let me just say I clone my WhatsApp. This is my second WhatsApp. Okay, so now if you are brought to this, tap after agreeing and continue, and you're brought to this section which you need to input your phone number and login. Don't input your phone number, no, you are logging in with the same number. Okay, you want to use it on two phones. So now tap on this three dots icon. So now tap on link as companion device. So right now it says scan the code. Okay, now you need to scan this code. Okay, so they say you need to open your WhatsApp on your primary phone, tap on menu or settings and select link device. Okay, so right now this is how you do this. Okay, once you open your WhatsApp, you want to scan from your second phone, assuming that now you want to scan from your second phone, because you need to scan the QR code which I showed you earlier, this code from your second phone. Okay, so now just head over to your main WhatsApp. Okay, on your main WhatsApp, now you need to tap on this three dots icon, tap on settings, then tap on this. You see this opposite to your, at the top right hand side, opposite to your profile name icon or whatsoever, you see this box icon. Okay, tap on it. Then now you see my code. What you need to do now, tap on scan code. Okay, so now on your second phone, you'll be doing this on your second phone. Okay, but once you have got to this scan section, now just carry your phone, then use that your second phone and come and scan it on this one which you want to log in with. Okay, so after scanning, now your WhatsApp will be logged into your second phone. So now you see your WhatsApp will log into your second phone, and you should be on your first phone. You won't be logged out from any of the WhatsApp. Okay, as easy as that. Now you can now use your WhatsApp on your two phones without getting logged out. Okay, as easy as that. So guys, that's it on how to use WhatsApp on two different phones without WhatsApp web. I also appreciate, guys, if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations. Okay, so guys, that's for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely day, stay safe, and God bless you. Peace.